Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about Earnpalsolution. Like, I'm always excited each time I open my dashboard on Earnpalsolution. I am always super excited. Do you know why? Because this is one of the best updates, one of the legit updates that is on the internet today, but so many of you are not taking it serious. Maybe because the money that you're using to register is small. You can just use 750, 15, 35, 55, or maximum 11,000 naira to register it, and that's why some of you are not taking it serious. Had it been that they're asking you to pay 20 USDT, some of you will rush and register it. In this Earnpalsolution, let me show you how much I have made and withdraw so far, for you to know that you can actually make your massive monthly income from this Earnpalsolution. So I'll click on my profile, go to withdrawals. Just look down here, you see how much I have withdrawn from this dashboard so far. If you look here, you see how much I have withdrawn within 1 week. If you are the hardworking person that always likes to hustle online, you can make up to 200k in a month in this Earnpalsolution, both the referral commission and daily task. Look at my daily task, what I've made from my daily task in 7 days. Today is the 7th day. Look at what I've made, 14,700, and they're going to pay me once I'm doing the right thing. Once I'm doing my tax perfectly, they're going to pay me my money. Okay, at the end of the month I'll be making over 60,000 naira for just doing tax and doing my tax well. If you want to know how to do your tax well, how to perform your tax well, watch the previous video that I dropped. I've made 2 videos on Earnpalsolution. The first video is how it works, how you can earn money from Earnpalsolution. The second video is how you can properly do your tax. So that at the end of the month, you will get paid. Because so many of you are not taking it serious. And at the end of the month, when you want to withdraw, when you have reached your minimum withdrawal, they won't pay you for the tax I did not perform well. That's why I took my time to make a video and explain how you are going to perform the tax, for you to be able to earn all your money that you have made from daily tax and sponsored post tax. Please go and watch the video. Let me show you the video on my YouTube. Okay, as you can see, like I said, I've made 2 videos. On this Earnpalsolution. This is the first video that I made. You come to my channel, Earn with Diva Boss. I'm going to drop the link below this video, the first video that I made, how to make money on Earnpalsolutions. I'm also going to drop the link on how to properly perform your tax. As you can see, that was the last video that I dropped. How to properly perform your tax so that you receive all the money that you worked for. If you not perform your tax properly, like I explained in this video, they're not going to pay you all your money. It's as simple as that. And it's not when they did not pay you all your money because of your own mistake, you come and be saying it's not working. It is working. Okay, it is working. As long as you're doing your tax very well, if you're earning 60k in a month, they're going to pay you. If you're earning 43k in a month, they are going to pay you, depending on your plan that you purchase. If it is 11k you're earning in a month, they're going to pay you. Do you understand? So try to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to be explaining so many things. We all know that today is 15th of June. and today is a payday for those that did daily tax. That is if you have reached your minimum withdrawal. It's not just because today is 15th, you rush and go and withdraw when you have not reached minimum withdrawal. If you are taking this Earnpals solution serious, immediately that you register and go to their Telegram, you are supposed to read messages. At least you read their pinned post. Okay, you're supposed to read their pinned post. So as today is 15th of June, today is withdrawal day. We are going to withdraw today if you have reached the minimum withdrawal. Like me, I have not reached my minimum withdrawal because of the plan that I bought. I bought the max plan that is with 11k. Okay, so I'm not going to withdraw today because I have not reached my minimum withdrawal. I'll be withdrawing on the 30th. At least on the 30th, I'm going to reach my minimum withdrawal. Okay, before you say that it is not working, they're not paying, this person purchased 6,000 naira plan, 6,000 naira plan, and minimum withdrawal for 6,000 naira plan is 43,000 naira. As you can see it here, minimum withdrawal for 6,000 naira plan is 43,000 naira. As you can see, he withdrew this money and they approved it. Okay, he withdrew this money and they approved it. As you can see, it is approved. And as you can see, it is from daily tax, not referral, from daily tax. So at the end of the tax, because he did his tax very well, like I explained in the previous video, he got paid. As you can see, he got paid the same 43,000 naira on 15th May. Check the date here, on 15th May last month. So probably this person is still going to get paid on 15th of June. That is today. As you can see, the source is Earnpalsolution Limited. Take this thing serious, so take this business serious. This business, take it serious. Because most of you would finish doing your tax at the end of the month, they will not give you your complete money because you did not take it serious. Let's go back to the minimum withdrawal, because maybe some of you have not read it, but there's where I saved it. Some of you have not read it. Okay, so in their channel on Telegram, this is their minimum withdrawal, because some of you are planning to withdraw today. Meanwhile, you have not even reached minimum withdrawal. Meanwhile, you are not doing your tax well. You are not doing your tax well. So probably, even if you reach minimum withdrawal, meanwhile, you did not do your tax well, they are not going to pay you. So the earlier, the better for you to start doing your tax well, like I said in the previous video. So, as you can see, this is available plans. Okay, those who registered with 750 plan, they are making daily earnings 300, and their referral commission is 400, and minimum tax withdrawal is 8,500. So if you register with 750 plan, your minimum withdrawal for tax is 8,500. Do you understand? It's not when you have 1,500 in your daily tax, you're going to be placing withdrawal. They will not pay you. Your minimum withdrawal is 8,500 naira if you registered with 750 plan. Now, if you registered with 1,500 naira plan, your daily earnings is 600 naira and your referral commission is 1,000 naira. Your minimum tax withdrawal is 17,000. So if you have 17,000 while you are on 1,500 plan today, you are going to withdraw your money. Okay, they're going to pay you 17,000 if only you did your tax well. So for some of you that purchased a plan of 3,500 naira, your daily earnings is 900, and your minimum tax withdrawal is 26,000. So if your plan is 3,500 naira and you have 26,000 naira today, that is 15th of June, you can place your withdrawal. Okay, those that purchased 5,500 naira plan, your daily earning is 1,500 naira, and your minimum tax withdrawal is 43,000 naira. Okay, like the previous screenshot that I showed. The person purchased 5,500 naira plan, and that's why you see that they sent him 43,000 naira complete, because he completed his tax well. Then for those that bought 11,000 naira plan, your daily earnings is 2,000 naira. I also bought 11,000 naira plan, and the minimum tax withdrawal is 56,000 naira. So if you are in 11,000 naira plan and you have 56,000 naira in your dashboard, in your daily tax dashboard, that means you're going to place your withdrawal today. Okay, so they said withdrawal info, affiliate withdrawal daily from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. We all know that is how it has been working. We have been withdrawing every seconds, every minute, every hour from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. And minimum withdrawal for affiliate program is 1,000 naira. That is if you have referral. Some of you in my group made a lot of money. Some have in just within 1 week. Some people have made over 30k, over 50k from referring people. But you that cannot refer, you have to wait on the 15th and on the 30th to get paid. As you can see it here, they said tax withdrawal is twice a month, 15th and 30th of every month, 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. So you're going to wait till 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. if you have reached your minimum withdrawal. Do you understand? Because some of you are saying that you are going to withdraw money today to know if it is working. With all the evidences I'm posting, with all the screenshots that I'm posting, with all the video that I'm posting, your mind have not convinced you that this program is working, that this business is working, that this opportunity is working. Your mind have not convinced you until you withdraw. Even you that have not reached minimum withdrawal, want to go and check if you can. So since you have not reached minimum withdrawal and you place withdrawal today and they did not pay you, you will tell people that it's not working, right? Okay. Let me show you the difference between your daily tax earning and your referral commission earning. So this is my dashboard now. As you can see, this is my daily tax earning. Both daily tax and sponsored tax, all of them comes here. So this is my daily tax earning. So as you can see, like I said earlier, I purchased 11,000 naira plan, and my minimum withdrawal is 56,000 naira. So I've not even gone half. Probably I'll be withdrawing on the 30th of June. That is this month. Why here is sales commission. That is referral commission. If you refer people, you see your money here. This is the one that you can withdraw every day. And minimum withdrawal is 1,000. So once you are referring people and you see 1,000 here, 2,000, you can just click on withdraw. It will take you to where you withdraw. You click on it, you withdraw your money. Instantly, it will come to your bank accounts that you submitted. Okay? It's going to come to your bank accounts that you submitted. But on this daily tax, you have to wait until you reach minimum withdrawal. Then you can place your withdrawal on the 15th and on the 30th. People are going to see I'm going to share people's screenshots, people that is going to withdraw today. I'm going to share their screenshots in the group, because I know that some of them will send to me. There are some people that I've met that have started since 2 months ago, that have started since last month. So they're going to share their screenshots with me, and I will post them in the group so that you see that it's working, because of some of you that is doubting. The only thing that they told you to do is register on this platform, purchase a plan, and do your tax well. Don't think that you're going to cheat anybody. You're not going to cheat them. Their system is monitoring what you are doing. They say post on Facebook. You are not going to post. You're not going to copy. You're not going to download the flyer and copy the text and go and post so that your village people will not know that you are doing online business. Because if you just click on it and go to Telegram, before you come back, they have already told you that your money has been paid. You think they're not going to verify it. They're going to verify your earnings before they pay you. Do you understand? So the only thing that I told you is register, purchase a plan, start doing daily tasks, do it properly, and refer people if you can. Imagine if you start a business, you open a shop and you put a sales girl there, and that sales girl is not working. He doesn't come to work, or she will just come to work, she will open, she will not attend to customers. And at the end of the month, will you pay the sales girl? No, you will not pay the person, because the person is not giving you what you want. That is how it is here. These people, they use money to build this. This is their business. They say register and do your tax properly. So if you don't do your tax properly, they're not going to pay you. Okay? They will not pay you. So like I said, this is one of the legit business that you can find on internet today. So register, purchase a plan, and then start doing their tax. You can refer people if you like. Okay? I've made a video on how to register, how to purchase your plan, how to fund your account. This is the third video that I'm making on this Earnpalsolution. So you're going to watch the first video on how to register. If you don't know how to register, on how to fund your account and how to purchase your plan, you watch the video. The second video, you watch it on how to properly do your tax. Then this third video is all about all you need to know before you can place your withdrawal. All you need to know before you can place your withdrawal. Your minimum withdrawal and all that. Do you understand? So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video like this, or anytime I bring an update, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you're not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video, so that you join the WhatsApp group so that you'll be getting updates. Okay? So I'm going to drop 4 links below this video. Number 1 is registration link. In case if you have not registered, you click on the link to register. Number 2 is how the Earnpalsolution works, how you can make money. You watch the video. The link number 3 is how you can properly do your tax. You watch the video on how you can properly do your tax. The tax is something that you can do within 5 minutes. Number 4 link is about withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal and all that. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.